Okay, what you're looking at is Area 51, and this is something is flying over it. And I'm gonna let this thing run until I'm gonna follow. It's on. What is it? I'm on full zoom. All right. That's me just focusing the focus ring. So we're just going to let it, whatever it is, hanging up in the air. So I don't know. Time is, let me check the time. 7:16 on Thursday, October 15th. There's been some white explosions behind Area 51, and I don't know exactly what those are. But this craft is got my interest, and it is above the mountain range. Okay, so I'm happy that this camera, Canon T6, can record it. So I'm at full 300mm length, and I am watching. And let's see if I can light up the surroundings for you. Okay. So I'm not going to shut this thing off. I hope. I don't know how much. I'm not a videographer, so I don't know how much time I have on this card. Let's see. Okay, right now it seems to have left the screen, and I can't see it with my naked eye. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to shut it off for now, and go back to photographs until I find it again.